as the moon begins her gentle retreat, moving from fullness to shadow. She whispers an invitation to slow down, to turn inward, to release, to surrender. This is the energy of the waning moon, a sacred time for clearing, cleansing, and letting go. If something in your life feels heavy, if you've been clinging to old patterns, relationships, fears, guilt, anger, or limiting beliefs, now is the time to set it down, to say thank you, and gently let it go. You'll need a black or white candle. For protection and clarity, a small piece of paper and a pen, a fire-safe bowl or cauldron, a cleansing herb like sage, rosemary, or bay leaf. Cleanse the area with smoke, sound, or a sprinkle of salt water. Dim the lights, light your candle, and take a moment to settle. Feel your breath. Feel the pull of the moon, drawing your awareness inward. Take your piece of paper and write down what you're ready to release. It might be a fear that's been keeping you small, a belief that you're not enough, a pattern you've outgrown, a relationship that no longer feels aligned, guilt or shame from the past, or something you just can't carry anymore. Write it down. No judgment, no fear, just truth. Hold the paper in your hands, and when you're ready, say aloud or whisper softly, "I release what no longer serves me. I let go with love and gratitude. I trust the universe to clear my path." Now, carefully burn the paper in your fire-safe bowl. Watch as the smoke rises. Imagine your burdens dissolving into the air, becoming ash, becoming nothing. Feel the lightness return to your body, the freedom, the space. Thank the moon for her guidance. Blow out your candle. If possible, bury the ashes in the earth or release them into flowing water, and whisper one final affirmation. As I release, I return to my true self. The waning moon reminds us there is strength in surrender, there is magic in the empty space, and there is beauty in becoming. So release with intention and trust that what is meant for you will always find you when you are clear. Blessed be.